morning to all my students. I'm Kaushalya Rajpuri, your English teacher, and I hope you all are ready with your English books. So, today we are going to solve the exercise or book exercise of our chapter 3, Turning the Tide. I hope you have understood the chapter really properly, right? And you have read it. So, you must read every chapter, right? Now we are going to solve our vocabulary section. So please take out your books and we are going to solve our vocabulary section. Now here they have given us fill in the blanks and they have provided us some words which we have already learned in our chapter. Flippers, transversing, hazards, hatchlings, mystifying. Now tell me, what are flippers? Flippers are the four palms or the, you can say, which are used for swimming. The flippers are a part of the animals which they use for swimming. Transversing, to travel from one place to another. Hazard, you can say harms. Hatchlings are the baby turtles here which come out of the egg, right? And mystifying is confusion. So you know all the words and their meanings too. So let us fill these blanks with correct words. Okay, so are you ready with me? Now fill in the blanks with the words from the box above. Pollution poses several dash to the health of plants, animals and human beings alike. So pollution poses what? It would be hazards. Now the next one. The turtle escaped the fisherman's net with few broad strokes of it, dash vanishing fast into deep blue ocean. So turtle escaped. So what will be the flippers? By the broad stroke of its flippers. The adventurous hiker were dash the deep jungle when they came across the ferocious lion. What were they? They were transversing, they were traveling in the deep jungle, adventurous hikers, right? When they came across of a ferocious, a dangerous lion. The presence of aliens have been dash question for humanity since ages. So aliens are always puzzling for us, so we will use mystify. Almost all birds look after their dash until they are old enough to fly on their own. So birds, almost every bird look after their hatchlings. So you know all the answers and you should learn, because these are the new words and these are quite interesting words. So you should remember them always. Now we are going to our grammar section. Everyone take out this page, the grammar section of chapter 3. Now you have to listen it properly, class. Okay, so look at these sentences. I saw my first olive-riddled turtle on one moonlight night in Chennai. Most sea turtles lay their eggs on the same pitch where they were born. So here you can see they have highlighted the words my and their. So what are these? See, if you read this sentence properly, I saw my first olive-riddled turtle one moonlight night in Chennai. So here, my is describing, it is describing about the olive-riddle, right? Olive-riddle is the speaker's first, or first olive-riddle, right? So here the word my and their, these are possessive adjectives. What are these possessive adjectives? Now tell me, what does possessive means? Possessive is the word which shows possessions, right? The ownership. And adjective, you all know what are adjectives. Adjectives are the describing words. They describe the noun. So in short, we can say that possessive adjectives are the word which tells us what someone has possession on, right? What is the possession of someone? Like the speaker possession is olive-riddle. So the adjectives which shows the possessions are called possessive adjective. And one thing you have to always know that the possessive adjective is mostly followed by a noun. You can see there, and it is followed by a noun. Now, what are possessive pronouns? We have already learned possessive pronouns in our last class. The pronouns, what are pronouns? Pronouns are the noun or the word that stands for noun or which are used in place of noun. So pronouns stand for noun, and possessive pronouns are the pronouns which shows the position of the noun. So let us see. So possessive pronouns are the words which are used instead of nouns, and possessive adjectives are the words that describes the noun, but they describe the position. So let us see how can it. While possessive pronouns just replace the noun, possessive pronoun, they will only replace the noun because they are pronouns, but possessive adjective also modify the noun that follow them. Mostly how to identify them, that is possessive adjective, you can find out easily because they are followed by a noun. Now here are two examples. That turtle is mine. So that turtle is mine. Here mine is possessive pronoun. Those notebooks are theirs, right? So here the word mine and their are only replacing the noun. Mine can be, okay, Kaushalya. That turtle is Kaushalya's, right? So mine is only replacing the noun, and here theirs, you can say any group, right? So they are replacing the nouns, but possessive adjectives modify the noun. They describe the noun, right? If I can write this sentence as that turtle is mine, here mine is possessive pronoun. But if I write the same sentence as that is my turtle, here my is followed by a turtle, so my will be possessive adjective. And those notebooks are theirs. Those are their notebooks. So I have converted possessive pronoun into possessive adjective. We will see some example to understand it more clearly. Now look here. Identify the possessive pronouns in these sentences, then rewrite the sentences by changing the possessive pronoun to possessive adjective. And we know we can, how can we do that? What we have to do? We have to just write the noun after the possessive adjective so that we can do it easily, right? Look here, they have already given us. So you have to pay attention. Please pay attention, and you have to solve it in your rough notebook with me. So look properly. This book is mine. Here mine is a possessive pronoun. But I can write this sentence like this also. This is my book. Now here I have replaced mine with my. That means I have replaced possessive pronoun with possessive adjective. And what I have to do? I have to write a noun after possessive adjective. So here book is not following mine, but my ke baad there will be always book. So how will I write this sentence? You have to practice with me. Is that notebook yours? And what is the possessive adjective for yours? It is your, right? So mine, my, your, yours, their, theirs, our, ours. You have to just put the s, right? So what is the possessive pronoun for possessive adjective for yours? Your. आप s हटाओगे तो possessive adjective हो जाएगा. s add करोगे तो possessive pronoun होगा. But एक रूल और है कि possessive adjective के बाद आपको always क्या लिखना है? Noun. So how will I write it? This is that notebook your. So what will be the answer? Is that your notebook? मैंने क्या किया? I just interchange them और yours में से s I remove. So it becomes possessive adjective and it is followed by a noun. Similarly, these handkerchiefs are theirs. These handkerchiefs are, or these are their handkerchiefs. I have just placed the noun after the possessive adjective. This is what you have to do. That parking space is yours. That is your parking space. Now can you do it for me? Those pens are hers, right? So those pens are आपको क्या करना है, आपको हर्स का व्हाट विल बी द पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव फॉर हर्स, यू हैव टू जस्ट रिमूव द एस, सो इट विल बी HER हर. So those are her pens. So those are her pens. मैंने क्या किया, those I have written as it is. After that I have used are, her and then pens, and s I have removed from hers because in possessive adjective it is only her. Now that apartment is his. So that is his apartment. That is his apartment, and the possessive adjective is followed by a noun. So it is correct sentence. Now look at this sentence. I was amused when I got to know about this strange habit of hers. So what is the writer or those who have written that he was amused when I got to know about this strange habit of hers. So hers will be changed to her, and I have to, and it should be followed by this strange habit. So what will be the sentence? I was amused when I got to know about her this strange habit. Right? About her this strange habit. When I got to know about this strange habit, I was confused. Now which of these pens is yours? Which of this is your pen? So here pens भी pen हो जाएगा because we are referring to a single pen, or before we have referred to number of pens. So which of this is your pen? Right? So I hope you have understood it. We will discuss these adjectives and pronouns in detail when we are taking our grammar lessons. Okay? Now we have one more exercise about possessive adjectives. So you have to use the possessive adjectives. So which are the possessive adjectives? My, our, their, again your, her, his. My, our, their, your, her and his. Right? When there is something is mine thing, that is this is my mobile, right? Or I can say this is your pen, or this is our school, right? Or this is their car. So these are possessive adjective. और possessive adjective के बाद हमेशा क्या follow होता है? Noun. I hope you can do this properly. So dash father is in military. Now I am referring to someone's father. So I can use here her father or his father, right? Or I can also say my father is in military. So my father is in military. Rama has a pet parrot. Dash name is Mithu. So here they are referring to the parrot. So it will be his name is, and his is followed by a noun. You are welcome to visit us anytime. Dash house. See us. So it will be our house. And our house is right opposite the library. He loves playing tennis. It is also Dash dream to become a tennis. So his dream. Is this Dash phone? It looks expensive. Is it your phone? It looks expensive. Dash plan is so good. Dash plan is to go abroad during vacation. So we are planning. So it is our plan. Have you seen new car? It looks amazing. Have you seen his new car? I am hopeful Dash dreams will come true very soon. My dream. So when you are referring to someone, if it is for I, then it will be my. He, his. We, our. And her, it, she. अगर कोई लड़की है और उसके लिए आप possessive adjective, then it will be her, right? So this is quite simple, and we will study it in detail when we are doing our grammar session. So I hope you have understood this exercise. Okay, thank you.